Now folks, here we have a pair of Canary yellow-green diamonds. Each one of these stones are over a quarter of a carat. Total weight for the match pair, 53 points. Quality, Si2 to I. These diamonds face up very nicely. Very pretty gemstones. Over half of a carat. Would make wonderful earrings. Or would even look wonderful set into a nice diamond ring. Beautiful diamonds. Natural diamonds. Beautiful color. Fantastic price. Not expensive. $329 for the pair. Over a half a carat worth of diamonds for 329 bucks. I'm Google verified, so you can buy with confidence, and I ship for free any place within the United States. Any questions? Email me, give me a call. Thank you.